Hey guys, thanks for joining me on another episode of Jack's Mechanics. I'm just going to show you how to do the cabin filter on this 2019 Dodge Ram. Obviously, first step we want to be opening the glove box. It comes down slowly so you can see that we have a strut on the side here. Just want to put a little bit of pressure on there, both fingers, and pull that down, push it out. Now you can see the hole, we'll squeeze our tabs in, bring the glove box down. And up the top there, I'll just change the zoom. See if it will let me turn that light on. Okay, sorry about that. Here we've got the housing for the cabin filter. So if we just put that in, push that one in, pull it out, push the tag in and pull it out. You can see the airflow goes down, and also the cover can only go one way. See our filter. Remove our filter. Obviously we can see our dirt in there and the airflow of the filter. So we'll get a new filter for this. Put some conditioning spray on our filter on the top side so it blows through, deodorizes the system, and we'll pop it back in together. So I got our new cabin filter, guys, and we just sprayed some deodorizer on the top. I got my grubby handprints on that part of the filter, but that's all good. So again, airflow flowing down through the filter, and we just want to pop it up. Hopefully. A little bit awkward to get it back in. That seemed to work. Sort of rotate the filter in, because there's not a whole lot of room to get it sort of square. So if I put it in and rotate it in and push it in, so now we've got our filter sitting in there. We can get our cover, and again it says flow down. I'm going to put that on. Just push our clips in, and they're in. I'll set you back over here. Tap myself. Oh, it wouldn't let me zoom out. I already started it. So we've got our clips down the bottom. 1, 2, 3, 4. We'll put all of those on, and then rotate the glove box up. Push our little tags in, and then grab your little strut and pull that down, which is a bit awkward. And then we lift it up, slot our little tag piece in, which looks like that. It's being a bit awkward. So there's our little tag piece that is the strut for it, basically. That's working. But so yeah, you just need to basically push it down and push it out, and then out of this hole, and then put it back in, slot it back in, just like that. Thanks for following us on that one, guys. Sorry about the poor recording. Not really anywhere to sort of store the camera in this one, but yeah, thanks for that. Take care.